How to share Bereal on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your Bereal post on Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Bereal app. Now select the post you want to share on your Instagram. So if you want to select a older post, tap on your profile in the top right corner. Then here select the post from your memories that which you want to share on Instagram. So I'm gonna select this post. Now here you will see the option of Instagram. Tap on it. And now here you will see the options to share on Instagram feed, Instagram stories or Instagram chat. So I'm gonna tap on Instagram story. Now it will take you to the Instagram app. And now you just have to tap on send to your close friends or send to your story. So this is how you can share your Bereal post on Instagram. Thanks for watching.